Hello children.
Moving on to next question. Find 853 plus 2908 plus 3766 plus 1875. Now again what to do? First write all the numbers. It is important, again students, it is important that we add the numbers in the same places. Now here we are having only till hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, right? So we are only having till hundreds place, but in the next numbers we are having a digit in thousands place as well. So what I'll do with 2908 is this number, I'll write it from backwards, 8 0 9 2. Okay, 8092. If I wrote like this, we had 853 here, 2908. This will be wrong, right? This will be wrong. 3 here is at ones place. Yes, so this will be the ones place. But here 0 is in tens place. 8 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place. I cannot add ones and tens together here. I should add ones with ones only, tens with tens only. Yes children, so that is why I am writing this number from here. Now again 3766, 6673. Now lastly 5781. Yes children, understood why I did that? Because I do not want to add different place values together. Yes, if we should add ones with ones only and tens with tens only. Now coming to the ones place, we have 3 plus 8, which is equals to what? 3 plus 8 is equals to 11. Now 11 plus 6 becomes 17, and 17 plus 5 becomes 22. Yes, 17 plus 5 becomes 22. In this 22, this 2 is in ones place, so I'll write here. When this 2 is the extra 2 in tens place, so I'll carry it. I'll carry this 2. Coming to the tens place, 2 plus 5 becomes 7. 7 plus 0, we still have 7 only. Because when we add any number to the 0, we get the number itself as the answer. So 7 plus 0 becomes 7 only. Now 7 plus 6, 7 plus 6 becomes 13. Now 13 plus 7 becomes 20. Here 0 is in the ones place, so I'll write here. 2 is in the tens place, I'll carry it. Yes, coming to the hundreds place, 2 plus 8 becomes 10. Now 10 plus 9 becomes 19. Now 19 plus 7 becomes 26. Now 26 plus 8 becomes 34. So 34 is our final answer. 4 is in ones place, I'll write here. 3 is in tens place, I'll carry it. Yes children, now coming to the last place, 3 plus 2 becomes 5. 5 plus 3 becomes 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. So I'll write 9 here. What is the answer? 9402. Yes, when we add these four numbers together, we got the answer as 9402. Is this clear children? Okay, I hope this was clear and I hope you have no doubts in the. Moving on, here come our homework problems. Okay, don't worry, yesterday I gave a lot of homework, right? Yes, but today I'll give you less homework. Okay, now look at the first question here. We are having three different numbers, 3 4-digit numbers, and the addition is done for you already. Yes, the addition is done for you already. So your homework will be the question numbers 2, 3 and 4. Okay children, your homework is question numbers 2, 3 and 4. And again, in question number 2 we are having A, B, C, D. I'll explain you, I'll do the question number A for you, and you have to solve B, C and D at home. Okay, coming to the ones place, 7 plus 3 becomes 10. 10 plus 5 becomes 15. 15 plus 4 becomes 19. So 1 gets carried. In the tens place we have 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 7 18. 18 plus 6 becomes 24. So 2 gets carried and 4 we write down. And in hundreds place we have 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 0 becomes 11. And 11 plus 8 becomes 19. 19 plus 7 becomes 26. So 2 gets carried. Again in the thousands place we have 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Yes. So 9649 is the answer. Now look at question number B, C and D. Yes children. So what are your today's homework? 2, 3, 4 and the question numbers B, C and D are your homework. Okay. Pause the video and take a screenshot, or else pause the video, copy down the questions in your notebook and solve. Yes children, yes, I'll give you the answers tomorrow. The first thing, tomorrow you will be getting the answers. Yes, yes. Now here what we are doing is, moving on to our next topic for today, oral addition. What is our topic now? Oral addition. What does oral means? Oral means when you have an oral test. What does that mean children? It means that you have to say the answers or answer the questions by your mouth. You have to say the answers, not writing. Yes, you have to say it by your mouth. So oral addition means adding numbers through your mouth. No need of pen and pencil, paper and pencil. Just you can simply add the numbers using your mouth. Yes, so that is called as oral addition. Now first example is add 40 and 50. Add 40 and 50. Now what should we do for oral addition? The steps. First one is check that the addends are in the same grouping, that is tens. What are they saying? Check that the addends are in the same grouping, that is tens. What do the addends mean children? If you remember from our first class, addends means the numbers which we are adding, like here 40 and 50. We have to add these two numbers, right? Yes, so these two numbers become our addends. They should be in the same groups. See, look at 40 and 50 here. Both are tens, right? So both are tens. Both fall under the tens groups. So yes, they are in the same groups, that is tens. And the second step will be, in 40 and 50, 1 0 is at the right. So we put 1 0 in the sum. What is he saying? If you look at 40 and 50 children, what is the similarity between both? Similarity means what is the same thing between both the numbers? 0. We are having 0 in both the numbers. In which place? In the first place from the right. So in our answer as well, we'll have 0 in the right. Yes, 0 in the first place from the right. Yes, we did that. That would be a second step. Now coming to our third step, what will it be? Now add the numbers, that is 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. See children, we had what? 40 plus 50. Yes, they are from the same group, that is tens. Yes. Now what did we see? We saw that both the numbers are having 0 in the first place from right. So we wrote 0 in the sum as well. So this will be our first place from the right. Now what is remaining? 4 and 5. Yes, we already wrote 0 here. Now what is remaining? 4 and 5. Now when we add both of these together, 4 plus 5 becomes 9. So we'll write 9. Now here the numbers are to the left of 0, right? The numbers are to the left of 0. So 4 plus 5, 9 is also written to the left of 0. Understood children? As both the numbers were having zeros, we wrote a 0 and now we added the numbers 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 becomes 9. Now as the numbers were to the left of 0, we wrote 9 also to the left of 0. So 40 plus 50 becomes 90. 40 plus 50 becomes 90. See, this can be done orally only. Now just we are having 40 and 50. Yes, both the numbers are having 0. Okay, so the answer will also have 0. 4 plus 5 becomes what? Do you need any, what do you say children? Do you need any paper and pencil to add 4 and 5? No, right? We know that 4 and 5 becomes 9, and after those digits we are having 0. So put a 0. The answer will be 9090. Yes, the answer will be 9090. Now look at the next example. Add 200, 400 and 300. You might think, oh, such big numbers they are. They are 3-digit numbers, and that too we are having 3 numbers. Now how to add this orally? Again, this is also very simple. The first step would be again checking the addends are in the same groupings. That is, these are hundreds, right? 200, 400, 300. So all these 3 addends are in the same group, that is hundreds. In 200, 400 and 300, 2 zeros are at the right. So we put 2 zeros in the sum. Yes, 2 zeros are at the right. So we put 2 zeros in the sum. Now add the numbers, that is 2 plus 4 plus 3. Again 200, 400, 300. Yes, we are not. Normally, how will you add this? You will write these numbers like this, one below the other, right? Yes, so we'll put the plus sign, then we'll start from the ones place, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. Yes, but no need of this. Yeah, we are seeing that all the 3 numbers are in the same groups. We are having 2 zeros in each number. So we simply write 2 zeros. Yes, we simply write 2 zeros. Now the remaining numbers 2, 4 and 3. The remaining numbers are what, children? 2, 4 and 3. 2 plus 4 becomes 6. 6 plus 3 becomes 9. Yes, 2 plus 4 becomes 6. 6 plus 3 becomes 9. So we are putting a 9 here. Why 9 here? Why not like this? Why can't we write 9 after the zeros? We cannot, because in the question the number is to the left of the zeros, before zeros. Yes, the number is always before 0. So in the answer as well, we are writing the number before zeros. Now how did we add this orally, children? We saw that all the numbers are having 2 zeros. So we wrote 2 zeros. Then we added the remaining numbers. 2 plus 4 becomes 6. 6 plus 3 becomes 9. So the answer is 900, which is read as 900. Clear, students? Clear, children? This is easy, right? Oral addition. Simply add the numbers. No need of writing down the numbers and doing a big addition. Another example. Add 3000. This is not 100. This is 1000. Okay, sorry. Add 3000, 1000 and 5000. Again, what will the first step be? Check the addends are in the same grouping, that is thousands. Yes, children, all the 3 numbers are thousands. See, how are we reading it? 3000. Yes, it is 1000. The next number 1000. Yes, it is 1000. The last number is 5000. Yes, it is 1000. So all the 3 numbers are thousands. Now again, what are we observing? All the 3 numbers are having 3 zeros in it. So we put 3 zeros in the sum. What is the sum? Sum is the result of addition. When we add these 3 together, the answer will be called as sum. So we put 3 zeros in the sum. Now add the numbers. That is, what numbers are remaining? 3, 1 and 5. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4. 4 plus 5 becomes 9. So we'll place this 9 in front of the zeros. The answer will be 9000. The answer will be 9000. Understood, children? Again, how did we do this? Even though these are big numbers like 3000, 1000 and 5000, we added these orally. Right? We added this orally and in a very simple manner. We wrote the 3 zeros and then we added 3 plus 1 plus 5. We wrote 9 in front of the zeros. Is this clear, students? Is this clear, children? I hope this was clear. Now because again here come the homework problems for today. Here come what? The homework problems for today. We are having 10 questions here. We are having how many questions? 10 questions. I'll solve 2 questions for you. I'll solve 2 questions for you and you try solving the remaining questions. This is adding orally only. So it will be very easy. Okay, it will be very easy. No need to get tensed. The first, which question shall I solve? Okay, I'll solve the first question and last question. Okay, I'll solve the first question and last question. You solve the remaining questions at home. Now 40 plus 30. What are we observing? Both numbers are having 1 0. So we wrote 1 0 here. 4 plus 3 becomes 7. So we wrote 7. 40 plus 30 is equals to what? 70. Simple, right? Yes. Now coming to the last question. 2000 plus 3000. Both belong to the same group, that is thousands. We are having three zeros in both the numbers. So we are writing 3 zeros in the answer as well. Now 2 plus 3 becomes 5. So we are writing 5 in the answer. 2000 plus 3000 becomes what? 2000 plus 3000 becomes 5000. Is this clear, children? So this is your homework for today. I hope you have understood today's class. Okay.